let's say you're really sick of recreating the same materials over and over for all your different Blender scenes, so you want to save them into a master file or a library. So here's how we do it. Let's go File, Save As, and just name it whatever. I'll just call it Materials Library here. And make sure that your materials are named like how you want them. So I got glossy red and a noisy green over here. Okay, so now I'm going to go into a brand new file and go down to object mode, control space down, or just go here and go to object mode, file, and link. So we have either link or append. Append is like bringing in a copy of the material, and link is bringing in the actual material so that when we change settings on the material, it's going to update on both scenes. They're linked together. Versus append will make like a unique copy just for this scene. So I'll try append just for now, and then go look for our file. Where the hell did it go? Okay, and then once we go into that file that we just saved, there's all these different folders, which is really nice. So we could do this with basically any data that's inside of that file, but in this case we just want the materials. So we're going to go in there, and here's a bunch of other materials that are in that file, but the ones that I want is noisy green and glossy red. So I'm holding control to select both of those and say append. And now I can go to my material area and click on this drop down and just look for noisy green. I'm going to make another cube and look for glossy red. Okay. And if you want to be really fancy, you can go File and Defaults Save Startup File. And this will save it so that every time you open Blender, you get these same materials. And I mean, another option is you could just open up a new file, start making materials, and then use this Save Startup File, which is kind of what I do. So all of these materials in here are my little favorite presets that I've made. Okay, hope that helps.